when you talk about culture, is actually three different dimensions in creating that culture. You have the culture in the country you set up your service center, which is certainly not the same as in India versus Poland. You have the company culture in itself, and then most fundamentally you have the service-oriented culture. And when you build the service center, actually trying to get these things aligned and get them right jointly, that is actually a very critical success factor, and where it impacts you most is actually on your customer's perception on what service you deliver, even more than the content and the quality of what you deliver. Because if the service perception is there, the understanding on how you work, that actually also creates a lot of goodwill with the customers, that gives you a brand and a permission to act, which is radically different to just a more what you would call transactional approach to activities. A business case can have what you call a hard value part, which is the money, and no doubt about that, that has to be a part of why you do it. It is a value-driven approach. The other part of the business case is the intangible benefits, which links to the strategy often. It's the ability to drive standardization, lean, critical mass, talent improvement, and many of these things link quite directly into the overall company strategy. The major challenge that needs to be considered here is that even though it links into this overall company strategy, is do you really provide the proper executional power for the service center to go out and execute, and experiences that very often there's not necessarily that mandate to do this. So a key consideration here is really to have that discussion up front and to ensure that that mandate and empowerment is in place, so you could call this strategic ambitions can also be realized on top of the financial components.